What's going on, everyone? My name is Steve Natto, and the last couple of weeks for releases have been absolutely insane. But in this video today, I have a ton of stuff to unbox, a ton of stuff to show you guys, including an unreleased pair of Yeezys, so be sure to stick it out to the end of the video to check out that pair. But for now, let's just jump right into these unboxing. I have so much stuff to show you guys. Before we do, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's go. So I want to jump right in with this Air Force One low right here. These just dropped, I believe, yesterday. These are being called kind of the Rose Air Force One or the Thank You plastic bag Air Force One. It's basically like an all-white Air Force One low with a little bit of a design. It's got a little rose at the bottom. It's got a little bit of a different tongue. But the coolest part is that these come with a reusable plastic bag. It's got the Have a Nike Day and the smile on it from a bunch of the stuff that we saw in the previous years that Nike put out. I love these things. I think they're really cool. They came out for 120 bucks and it seems like they're selling out, but a really cool Air Force One to get it started. Next up, we actually have two different size ranges of this shoe right here, the All-Star Jordan 1 Low in both the men's sizing and the grade school sizing. This is the next Jordan 1 Low. This is one from kind of that All-Star theme pack. We saw the All-Star mids drop and actually have a shoe related to that I want to show you next. But this one here, it's pretty similar in that it's got patent leather and a little bit of carbon fiber on it. It's all black, just started hitting retailers and got that same circle Jumpman logo up on the top. So be on the lookout for these. These are really cool, but some brand new Jordan 1 lows. Next up here is that All-Star Jordan 1 mid, but this one is the grade school sizing. So I wanted to show this one to you guys too because the shape is a little bit different on grade school size sneakers. I already got up my full review and on feet on the men's pair. I really like this shoe as far as the Jordan 1 mid goes. This one is pretty solid quality and the demand on the grade school sizes is absolutely nuts right now. But just wanted to show you guys this one. This was another one I was able to pick up pretty recently. After that, we have one of my favorite new sneakers. This is the brand new Vapormax Evo that just dropped yesterday. This one encompasses a ton of different Air Max designs all in one on this new Vapormax silhouette. It comes with this booklet here that shows you all the previous designs and where they are on the sneaker. So both sneakers, the left and the right, are a little bit different from each other. You'll start to notice patterns and materials from previous Air Maxes incorporated in both different shoes. So this is almost like a what the Vapormax. You guys might have seen stuff like that in the past, but I thought this one was really cool. I hadn't seen something like this on a Vapormax or an Air Max, let alone like that. The box is really cool too. So another really good pickup, and this one seemed to have sold out. So let me know if you guys were in the market to grab this one. So like the title said, there are some more pieces included too, not only just shoes. I do want to show you guys this Essentials hoodie that I picked up. This is that cream colorway. I believe this one dropped a number of times before, but it did restock pretty recently, so was able to pick it up. This thing is pretty cool. All the Essentials stuff is really hot right now, and this cream color especially just looks really cool. It's got Essentials written out on the chest there. So definitely just another nice pickup right here. The next cool little item I picked up was this Supreme Zoku water bottle. This just dropped for the first week of Supreme in spring summer 2021. It's a pretty good material. It keeps your stuff either hot or cold, so it does a good job. I picked it up in the red colorway here. It's got Supreme written out in white and did come with some extras, including some stickers and the free gift from spring summer 2021. One last thing from Supreme that I did get was also the Spring Summer 21 backpack. So I love picking up the new backpack every season. They always do something a little bit different. They're always really cool to check out, and I like to see them for myself. This one does have the water bottle pouches on the side, has Supreme going down the middle, and the box logo at the bottom. So be on the lookout and hit that subscribe button if you want to check out the full review on this bag. Show you guys what it looks like, all the different compartments, and what it looks like when you wear it. So really looking forward to that video. Should have that one up in the next few days. And back to the shoes here, we got in this brand new women's Jordan 1 low. This one comes in a black and silver silhouette. Came out for 100 bucks, just started popping up at retailers. You can check out the material on the toe box. It's really pretty nice. This is in women's sizing. It does go pretty far into men's sizing as well. You can check out that Jumpman on the tongue too. But just another clean colorway of the Jordan 1 low. That is a new model that started to hit retailers. Now, this shoe right here, I think, is one of my favorite Air Force Ones that Nike has put out in a long time. I think these are one of the best quality, one of the best designs, and just one of the coolest shoes. I love the toe box. It's got the little hearts on there instead of the perforations. On the back, it's got a little heart for the eye in the air. The tongue tags, of course, they flip up. They have hidden writing underneath. The quality is just top notch. I wish they made more of these things and maybe even released it a little bit before Valentine's Day because they dropped right on Valentine's Day, so people really couldn't even enjoy the shoes on the day. But whatever the case, I did get this in, wanted to show it to you guys. The materials and quality are just insane on this shoe, so this was a really good one that I was really happy to pick up. And lastly here, the shoe you guys have all been waiting for. This is the brand new Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite. It hasn't even dropped yet. The official release day seemed to have gotten pushed back a number of times, but these things look really, really good in hand. I went ahead and picked these up a little bit early from Flight Club. I wanted to check these things out. So this shoe hasn't even hit my channel at all or any of my social media channels. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to get notified as soon as my full review and on feet hits the channel for this shoe. Really excited to dive further into this one, but wanted to give you guys a little exclusive sneak peek right here. Now, I want to thank you guys for stopping by and checking out the video. Let me know what you guys think of this new type of format of these unboxing videos in the comments down below. Feel free to share this with a friend if I had a good pickup here that you think they would enjoy. And while you're here, check out the other great videos I have lined up right at the end of this one.